Welcome to 302 Kings Road here in Newport Beach. Brand new construction, a beautiful design by Eric Aust Architecture, built by Jason Gonterman Construction. This house is 6,500 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. 6,500 square feet does not include any of the deck space, covered space, or rooftop deck. A lot of people leave here saying it feels a lot larger than 6,500 square feet. Here on this entry level, you have 2 bedrooms, 1 stage as an office, separate bonus sitting area, a movie theater, a powder room, and also access to 3-car garage. Beautiful fountain just to set the ambiance when you walk in. Take a look around. Welcome to level 2 out of 3. This is the great room level. 3 bedrooms here. The primary's back there to my right. 2 bedrooms down this wing, including the interior laundry. There's a secondary laundry in the garage. Great open concept. Beautiful kitchen with custom cabinetry, natural marble. There's a dirty kitchen here off the main kitchen where you can make a mess, keep the kitchen here clean. Views here off the living room and dining room. It only gets better at the rooftop, which we'll see right after this. Take a look around, I'll meet you up there. This is a very intelligent home controlled via Savant system. Controls all the lighting, the heating, the air, the shades, the music, all the fountains. I love it as a realtor. I come in, I push one button and everything turns on. I can do it from outside even before I come in. Let's go take a look at the upstairs. The pool is phenomenal. Here we are, the level you've been waiting for, the rooftop elevator to the top. There's livable space here on this level as well. Bedroom right behind me, sitting room right here for when it gets a little chilly on the rooftop deck. Come and hang out inside and look at this. The rooftop deck with a pool that was craned in here. You have a pizza oven, a barbecue, separate outdoor shower and bathroom. Just take a look around. And that's 302 Kings Road. Thanks for stopping by. Give me a call if you want to take a look at this house in person. I'll see you soon.